So, welcome back, legends. We're out in the woods, and today we're making the world's first wild forest pizza. Check out this haul: mushrooms, tomatoes, and yeah, that's a pine cone. We don't talk about it. Precision is everything when you're chefing it up. Just don't lose a finger. Those don't grow back, I think.
No cheese. No problem. This root tastes kind of like cheese if you squint and lie to yourself. Ugh.
This is what I call rustic innovation. Michelin star vibes, but make it caveman core.
Would ya look at that? Golden crust, forest fresh toppings. Gordon Ramsay. Whew.
"10 out of 10 would feed to a bear."
If you like this forest feast, hit that like button or I'm sending raccoons to your house. Peace.